Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll listen to a simple story about Tom and Emma visiting a museum in London. Imagine you're exploring London with them. Let's get started.
It's another bright morning in London. The city feels a little more familiar than when we first arrived.
Yeah, I slept better than I expected. I think I'm finally getting used to the time difference.
Same here. Yesterday I was pretty tired all day.
So, what should we do today? Something outdoors again?
Maybe something a bit calmer today. Yesterday we walked a lot, so I don't want to rush around too much.
That makes sense. My legs are still a bit sore from all the walking.
Exactly. Maybe something indoors would be nice for a change.
Like a museum?
Yeah, that could work. I kind of want to do something more relaxed where we can take our time.
There are a few famous ones here. The British Museum, Tate Modern, and a few others.
Wait, I remember one name, the National Gallery.
Oh yeah, that one is right at Trafalgar Square. It's really central, so it won't take long to get there.
That sounds good. I like the idea of something classic and not too complicated for today.
Yeah, and it has famous paintings too. We don't need to rush through it.
Then let's go there today. It feels like the right pace for us.
Alright, let's head out.
The weather looks perfect again. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, good weather for walking around the city.
We can take the underground to Trafalgar Square.
Good idea. It's faster, and I don't want to get lost again like yesterday.
Same. I'm still trying to figure out the tube map properly.
It's confusing at first, but I think we're starting to understand it a bit.
Yeah, London already feels less overwhelming than when we first arrived.
I agree. Yesterday everything felt completely new, but today it feels more natural.
Like we're slowly getting used to the rhythm of the city.
Look, we're here. That must be Trafalgar Square.
Wow, it's much bigger than I expected. It feels very open.
And right there is the National Gallery. It looks really classic and calm compared to everything around it.
Yeah, it kind of stands out because it's so quiet looking.
Alright, let's go inside.
Let's do it.
Alright, we're at the entrance of the National Gallery now. It's much quieter than outside, and the building itself already feels very different.
Yeah, and it's much bigger than I expected. I thought it would be smaller, but it goes really deep inside.
It looks like we need to check in first. Maybe there's some kind of ticket desk.
Yeah, I think so. It doesn't feel like you just walk in without asking.
Let me ask the staff. Excuse me, do we need tickets to enter?
The main gallery is free. Special exhibitions require tickets.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
If it's your first time, I'd recommend the Impressionist section. It has some of the most well-known paintings here. And you can also see Van Gogh's sunflowers. It's one of the highlights of the gallery.
That sounds great. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your visit.
Will do. Thanks.
Wait, so the main part is free?
Yeah. I didn't expect that either. I thought we would need tickets for everything.
That actually makes it feel more open. Like anyone can just come in and explore.
Yeah, and we already got a few recommendations too.
The Impressionist section and sunflowers. That already sounds like a good starting point.
Alright. Let's go inside.
Yeah, let's do it.
Wow. The space inside is even larger than I imagined.
Yeah, and the ceiling is really high. It makes everything feel very open.
I didn't expect so many people to be here, but they're all moving slowly and looking at everything carefully.
It feels like everyone is actually taking time to look, not just passing through.
Let's start with the Impressionist section first.
Good idea. Since it was recommended, it feels like the natural place to begin.
Look at this room. The lighting is really soft, and it changes how the paintings look.
Yeah, and the colors feel much stronger than I expected. It's completely different from seeing them online.
You can actually see the brush strokes clearly. It feels more detailed than I thought.
I didn't expect that at all. It feels like the painting has more depth in person.
Let's move a bit closer.
Wow, when you stand here, it feels like the painting changes completely.
Yeah, you start noticing small details you wouldn't see from far away.
I kind of understand now why people come to museums instead of just looking at pictures.
Yeah, it's not just about seeing the artwork. It's about being in front of it.
Look over there. That must be sunflowers.
Oh yeah, that stands out immediately because of the color.
This is the one the staff mentioned.
Right. They said it's one of the highlights here.
The yellow is much stronger in person than I expected.
Yeah, it feels very bright, but also kind of warm at the same time.
I didn't think a painting could feel this powerful just from color.
Same. It's simple, but it really stays in your mind.
It's funny, we almost walked past it without knowing.
True. Asking the staff made a big difference.
It makes the visit feel more structured, like we're actually discovering things step by step.
Yeah, it feels like we're understanding the gallery properly instead of just walking around.
I could stay here a bit longer. There's still a lot I want to look at.
Yeah, same. I think we've only seen a small part of it so far. I think we've walked quite a lot already. Let's take a short break.
Yeah, my legs are actually starting to feel it. I didn't realize how long we've been inside.
There should be a café somewhere in the museum. I saw a sign earlier.
That sounds perfect. I could use something warm to drink.
Alright, let's head there.
It's interesting. Even the cafe feels connected to the museum somehow.
Yeah, it doesn't feel separate. It still has the same calm atmosphere.
I guess people are still thinking about the art even while sitting here.
Probably. It feels like everyone is just processing what they saw.
Let's sit here.
Good spot. You can still see people walking around slowly.
I like that. Nobody feels rushed, even here.
What do you want to drink?
Just tea, I think. Something simple.
Same. I don't want anything too heavy right now.
All right, I'll order.
Let me do it. I'll go to the counter. Excuse me, 2 teas please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Coming right up.
Thanks.
That was quick.
Yeah, very straightforward.
I like how simple everything is here. Nothing feels complicated.
Yeah. Even ordering feels relaxed.
So, what did you think of everything we saw?
Honestly, it was more impressive than I expected. Especially sunflowers.
Yeah, that one stayed in my mind too. I didn't think a painting could feel that strong just from color.
And the Impressionist section too. It felt very different in person.
I think that was the biggest surprise for me. It didn't feel like looking at art. It felt like being inside it.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
I also liked how we didn't rush. Asking the staff at the beginning helped a lot.
True. If we had just walked in randomly, we probably would have missed the best parts.
It feels more meaningful now.
Yeah. It doesn't feel like we just looked at paintings. It feels like we experienced them.
I didn't expect a museum visit to feel like this.
Same. I thought it would be more like looking and leaving.
But it actually made me slow down.
Yeah, and think more about what I was seeing.
That's probably why people like places like this.
Probably. It's not just about art. It's about time.
That's a good way to say it.
How do you feel now?
A bit tired, but in a good way.
Same. Like we used our energy in a different way today.
I kind of like this slower pace.
Yeah. It makes the day feel longer, but in a good way.
Do you want to stay a bit longer or head out soon?
Maybe a few more minutes, then we can leave.
Yeah, I don't want to rush out of here.
Same. Let's just finish our tea first.
Good idea.
That was a really good visit. Let's head out slowly.
Yeah, it feels a bit strange leaving after spending so much time inside.
The light is already softer than before. It really feels like late afternoon now.
Yeah, and it's a little cooler too. Walking feels nice right now.
I like this time of day. Everything feels calmer in a different way.
Same. The city looks a bit different after being inside the museum.
I keep thinking about the paintings we saw.
Me too. Especially sunflowers. That one really stayed in my mind.
Yeah. It looked completely different in person.
And the Impressionist section too. It felt more real than I expected.
I'm glad we asked the staff at the entrance.
Yeah, otherwise we probably would have just walked past everything.
That made the whole visit easier to enjoy.
Look at the sky. It's starting to change color a little.
Yeah, it feels like the day is slowly ending.
I kind of like this walk after the museum.
Same. It helps everything settle in.
Today felt longer than I expected, in a good way.
Yeah. We saw a lot, but it didn't feel rushed.
I don't want to forget this day.
We won't. It's the kind of day you remember.
Should we head back now?
Yeah, let's go slowly.
I think I'd like to come back here someday.
Same. There's still a lot more in London to see.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Which painting did the staff recommend they see? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.